Alright, so plugged in the fans. Tried to get my dad to help me, but you know, he was kind of pushing, and again, it wasn't going in. So I think it's just as far as it goes. If it runs, then perfect. I'm not going to be messing with it. But yeah. Back to getting up the hard drive. I was trying to see. I hid the fan cord under here, the main fan cord. It's hidden under here, so that's at least it won't be coming out of here, you know. All right. So now the hard drive, which goes in, I believe, this way. It just goes in like here. You're supposed to be able to screw it in somewhere, or hold on. There's a piece that this thing came with. The case itself. Let me try to look for it. See where it is. Yeah, I want to put it in the box itself. Through here, possibly. I don't. No, that's not it. Hold on. Sorry for the wait, guys, but I just want to see. I took a little sliding piece out, and I think I put all the parts in the motherboard box. So let me look at this thing again. That's just some extra cords. What I really noticed is that, look at this. This thing comes with cords right here. This thing comes with little ties to tie your cords around, so you don't have them all sticking around. So I thought that was really nice. You just, you know, plug them in and they're all good. Some SATA cables. We actually do need those. Let me look for a bit. Kind of missed something here. Hold on. Down where I plugged all these cords in, this thing actually comes with an adapter to make it easier. So let me actually plug the head in. Again, trying to be really careful. So let me take all these cords out carefully. And then this thing's an adapt. Oh, this is for. Oops, this is for all the empty holes there. So. Or no, this is just for something else entirely. Huh. Yeah, so those were actually incorrectly. Let me put those back in. Well, this is 1, 2, 3. No, does not have the same combination. Or this is an adapter for this. Aha. I see. You plug them in like this. Aha, the other way. So that does work. Good, good, good. Alright, well, let me plug these in. This is the Power SV. Or, Power, sorry. Power SW plugs into power ground. Alright. Then we got HD LED minus. Oh, I'm sorry, plus. Plugs in there. And then HD LED minus plugs in there. Just an adapter to make it easier, I guess. So that's nice. Might as well use it, right? This is reset. Alright, so now they're all plugged in. And I'll just plug them in like this, and alright. It looks like here is actually for other stuff. Huh. I mean, I guess you're just supposed to go like that. Alright, well, there's that. Back to the hard drive. But where is that? That's right, I was looking for that box. It was like a little case that came out, and I think it was for the hard drive. I'm just trying to remember. It was like a little box. I might have put it somewhere down here. I'm sorry guys, I'm usually, you know me, I'm usually more organized at all this, but oh, I think I threw it back here. No, I didn't throw it back there. Ugh. We found the power cord to the actual thing. Why did I put that little cage thing? It was for the case and everything. I would never have thrown that out. You don't throw anything out. Keep that in mind, guys. You don't throw stuff out when buying a computer. So, or building one. Graphics. Oops. I have no idea where it could have gone. No, I wouldn't have done anything with it. Well, it's really, I mean, if I can't find it, it's not really that big of a deal, but it's like, where's my stuff? Alright, well, hold on, let me, first of all, let's actually put this back where it belongs. Right here. Slide it in here. Have the screws and stuff line up. Huh. Alright, well, let's just install the hard drive then. So to do this, like I said, other cases have this thing where they just kind of like lock into place. Like I said, it's not going to fit that way, so this Nate's ring is like really bothering me. Alright. Like, I think just kind of like that, and then you kind of screw it in because there's holes for, for screws and stuff, but even on the bottom there's holes for screws. They can't go in that way. Huh. This is really infuriating. What time? Alright, well, we're gonna go to the next video, guys. I'm gonna try to search for this thing quickly.